Hi. Welcome to our parent training. And if you're watching it during our parent training, what I'd like to do during this time is give it a little bit of a rundown and an experience of what it looks like and feels like for the kids in the class. What I am going to do is I'm going to record a couple videos, and you guys are going to get a chance to watch and then kind of do what I talk about in the video. This first one is going to cover Google Classroom, how kids can access work, and what it kind of looks like. You have logged in using my dummy student account, and you'll be able to access both AM and PM classrooms, as well as a separate parent classroom that I've created. In that parent classroom, there will be a second video that will talk about the kids and their experiences with Google Classrooms, things that they like and things that they don't like. Okay, so how to get to Google Classroom and what that kind of looks like. So you should see your main screen should be my Google homeroom. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go to Google Classroom. I like to search up here. Remember, if you'd like, you can always speed up the video by going to the settings at the bottom. I know a lot of students like to set it as 1.25 or 1.5 times the speed. And then if they get behind or ahead, they can just kind of slow it down there. So when you get into the Google Classroom page, you kind of click on it just like I did, and it'll come up with all of the classes that you're currently subscribed to. Most students will just see one, whether it be STEM PM or STEM AM. And some students have two because I know Miss Berg is currently using this as well, which is really cool. So we're going to take a look at just the AM class for now. I'm going to give a little bit of a tour, and you can even go in and try the stuff out if you like. So going into the classroom, there's a couple of things that are really, really awesome about this. First, it is very independent. Students can access anything at any time, at any place, no matter what device they're using. So let's take a look at, this is what my screen looks like. And you can see that we have some students that are done and not done. Let me switch over quick to my the student account so it looks more like what you guys look like. One moment while it loads. Perfect. So let's go in as a student. And we're going to go in that AM class just to try it out. If you want to go into the PM class, that's fine. It'll be exactly the same except the little art on the back is different. All right, take a look at one of the assignments if you'd like. You can see that I've just recently assigned the SpongeBob experiments. It shows what day it's due. Every assignment will tell what day it's due, shows when I've edited it, and you can even kind of go into a little bit more detail. So for example, say we're going to investigate our 2.22 comparison of metric units, which is what we assigned Wednesday, I believe. In every assignment, just like we talked about in goal setting, there is, it's giving me a little example because it thinks I haven't been here before. I can go watch the video. So for example, here, I can open up my video. I just opened it in another tab with control click. And I can go and watch it and see kind of what's going on and even check out some of the videos and pause, play, rewind, do as much as I like in each of these sections. A little bit
All
weird
right.
right now that I'm watching myself do this, but it's kind of cool. So if you want to skip around in a couple of videos, go ahead and check that out. Now, when a student is finished, you can see that they go then to their assignment, which loads up the PDF. In the PDF at the very bottom, you can see the assignment and the numbers that they are working on. Now, mine's running a little bit slow because it's recording video as well. Typically, it goes a bit faster. Oh, here they are. So we have our little review questions. We have been talking about converting metric units to their different counterparts. So, for example, taking kilometers and going to meters and how to do that whole thing. If you want to watch the video, you can see, but that's kind of our main topic. When you're finished, you can turn in an assignment by pushing add and attaching the picture that you kind of took that you will do in a moment. And then when you're totally finished, you just mark as done. If you'd like, you can go in and explore all of the different things that we do. A couple other cool things are you can check all the assignments out. I really like going to this particular view. If you click up here in the three dots, you can click on work, and this will show you all the things that you still need to do. Now, this account has not done any work, so as you will notice, I am very, very behind in doing my assignments for this class. I have not done anything, and I can go and see and click easily, oh, I need to do math 1.6 15. And this will show me, oh, it takes me right to it. Oh, it's late. I have the assignment due. And this was before I was attaching videos. So that was a little bit ago. I can go to a little bit of a later one and find some videos to watch if I would like. I can also say I just want to look at our science homework. That's the only thing that I want to do. I can go over on the topic side and just click science homework, and it will bring me just to the things that relate to that topic. As soon as it loads, it's going a little bit slow. So what I'd like you to do is maybe check out one of the AM or PM STEM classes if you'd like. Try a couple of assignments. If you mark something done, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to delete this account afterwards, so you can't break anything. Please don't add any comments, though, because then students will kind of see that, and it will go into the classroom. So our next step is you're going to go to the little class side, kind of like I just did, and choose the parent class. Now, I have not attached the video yet, but you should see now a couple of assignments in here and hopefully some video links for you to follow and kind of go on to our next assignment. We'll have an assignment and an informational video in here. And awesome. Feel free to check this out, and thanks for watching. I just have to remember how to stop it.